In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable SnapMap location. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a super simple thing to do. All you need to do is open up Snapchat, and then once you've opened up Snapchat, go ahead and click on your little avatar in the top left corner, and then go ahead and click on the settings cog once you're on your main profile, and then go ahead and scroll down until you see additional services, which is right here. And then once you've done that, as you can see, there's an option there for see my location. Go ahead and select that. And then go ahead now and select ghost mode, which will enable to hide your location. Go ahead and select that, and you've got a few options here. You can go ahead and select 3 hours, 24 hours, and until turned off. So if you want to go ahead and disable your location indefinitely, go ahead and click until turned off. And what that will do is that will disable SnapMap, and people won't be able to see the location you are in when they look at SnapMap. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.